What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Netbeans on your Windows machine. To download Netbeans, you have one prerequisite: that Java should be installed on your Windows machine as well. And if you don't know how to install Java, I already have a video regarding that. The link will be down in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out from there. After you have downloaded the Java, let's move forward with downloading the Netbeans. So open this download option here and click on this Apache Netbeans 28. Click on download. Now you can see here we have a lot of options, and if you scroll down you can see this installers and packages. Click on this Codelarity packages, and from here I'm just going to select this Apache Netbeans 28 plus JDK 25. And you can see the download has begun. It's a big file, 506 megabytes, so I'm just going to wait for it to complete downloading. After the download is done, I'm just going to open up the installer, minimize the browser, click on yes, and this is where the Netbeans is going to be installed. So you can change this folder, but for me it's fine. Click on next, click on next, click on install. After the install is done, click on this, check this launch Apache Netbeans for it to open up, and click on finish. Now you can see this is the interface of our Netbeans. Now I can choose a new project here, which is going to create a new project, open project, which is going to open an existing project, or I can simply create a new file, open a file, whatever I want to do. I can go here in the file and create new project, click on Java with Maven, Java application, next. You can see it gives me a default project name. I can choose the default project name or give it a name that I want. For now it's fine, and I can also choose the project location as well and click on finish. Now you can see this is the interface that I'm going to see after setting up a brand new project with Netbeans. Now let this process finish. After that we are going to build our project and run it. You can see the progress up here. It is downloading some files. I can then click on build project, and you can see it's building our Maven project 1, and it says build successful. Now I can run the project, and you can see it says build success, and it gives me the output hello world. Now I can simply change this to, for example, subscribe to CodeBear. Now this time run the project directly. Now that the Netbeans IDE, which means the Java, is telling you to subscribe to CodeBear, you shouldn't ignore that message and subscribe to CodeBear. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.